welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design. I'll show you how to create the color block nail design. There are many ways to create this look. Today, I'll be showing you the first method. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for everyone. This is how my nails look. It is all prepped and ready for the nail polish. You can check out my salon style manicure at home video to prep your nails as I have done. And view this playlist for nail shaping. I will start by applying a base coat on my nail. I do this to protect my nails from the nail polish color. I wait for the base coat to dry up completely. Next, I'm going to apply the nail polish. I have selected a nude nail polish that I've already had in my collection. Again, I wait for this to dry up completely and I clean up the edges using a brush and some nail polish remover. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different color block manicure styles that I'll post in the future. Now the next step is for creating the color blocking effect. I use a piece of tape that is bigger than my nail. Next, I stick the tape on the inside of my palm. I do this to remove a bit of its sticking strength. I do it about 2 times. Next, I place my tape on my nail. This part looks easy, but it will vary depending on your nail. If your nail is very curved and it does not have a smooth surface, you'll have a really hard time and you'll need to work on the tape. Make sure the edge is not lifted or has any gaps. I'm focusing on the side closer to the edge because that is where I'm going to apply the second color. Next, I'm applying my second color. Since I'm applying on only a small part of the nail, I take very less amount of polish on the brush. I remove the tape as soon as I finish. I don't wait for the polish to dry. Now I again wait for this to dry up completely. Remember that it depends on the nail polish and also the climate for the time of drying. And I'm done with creating my color block effect. After this dries up completely, you can apply a top coat to seal your work. But I did not want to, so I just left it bare. To make your nail art last longer, please do try some of my tips and tricks. And don't forget to try this nail art design using different colors. If you're having trouble in deciding on color or even color combos, then check out my video called How to Choose a Color. If you're interested in nail designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Pros and cons of this method. Pro: you don't need any fancy tools, nail guides, or anything else. As for nail polish, just 2 shades are enough. The amount of polish used to create the color block look is also very minimal. Con: need patience. Time to see which look and color combos you like the best. And the shape of the nail also does matter. If your surface is not smooth, attaching the tape onto the nail will be quite tricky and hard. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!